Today's acronym is UTM, Urgent Tracking Module. This is a bit of code, a snippet of text that's added at the end of a URL to track the metrics and performance of a specific campaign. UTM codes can contain 5 parameters. So campaigns, the source, the medium, the content, and the search term that we're targeting. So they're pretty stubborn entities in that they stay with your links. So even if you switch to different networks and mediums, so for example, if your visitor picked up your link tag with a UTM from Twitter, X, and shared it on Facebook, then everyone else clicking on that link would be counted as a sharing from Twitter. The way users interact and share your content could throw off the UTM tracking slightly. If you have several campaigns running simultaneously, UTMs are a fantastic way to track all of that activity, determine how each one is performing. So Google's URL Builder is a fantastic tool for creating URLs with UTM parameters. So simple to use. So the first level of parameters are the content, the medium that you're using, the source, and that manual term that you're tracking. And the secondary parameters are the creative format, the type of creative you like a display or a video, the marketing tactic that you're using, like retargeting, and the buying platform if you're getting traffic from another source. UTMs do allow us to get deeper insight into the campaign performance, but they're not the be all and end all. So yeah, as I said, there can be some leakage, but they're a fantastic tool. So as always, if you'd like to improve the performance tracking of your campaigns, you haven't used it or don't know how to use UTMs, or as well as your digital initiatives, then reach out and we can give you some advice on how to best implement them and get them happening for your business. Hope you find this useful. Thanks.